begin the tutorial by clicking on the Facetune app. At the top of the screen, you will see demo photos. You can click demo photos, then click back to the albums, or you will find all your albums and pictures on your iPhone. But for today's session, we'll be using the second demo from the top row. To begin, we will click on the reshape icon. This includes 4 different tools: reshape, refine, resize, and restore. You will use the reshape and refine tools by dragging your finger across the picture. The resize tool is used by pinching the screen, and the restore tool is used as an eraser. Toward the bottom left corner, you will see the double boxes that you may use to view your progress. When using the undo button, Facetune will provide commentary at the top of the screen to let you know how much you have undone. We'll start with the common theme by snatching the nose with the resize tool. Remember to pinch with 2 fingers until you get to a desired size. Next, we'll use the reshape tool, which is used to reshape head size, chin size, or forehead size until desirable. On this picture, we will only reshape the forehead. Just drag your finger along the hairline to very slightly drag the forehead down a bit. For our next step, we will click on the retouch icon and find the smoothing tool. Here you can drag your finger along the face to create a smooth finish. Once you reach the desired look, you may use the adjustment bar to increase or decrease the intensity of the tool. We will once again stay in the retouch category and use the whiten tool. The whiten tool is used to brighten up your teeth until satisfied. Drag your finger along the teeth and use the adjustment tool to increase or decrease the intensity. Lastly, we will click on the details tool, which is once again in the retouch category. The details tool is used to bring out the saturation and make the eyes have a twinkle. You can lightly tap over the eyes and use the adjustment bar to find the intensity you're looking for. Facetune2 includes other features like filters where you have a great variety to choose from. Facetune2 also includes a crop tool so that you may crop your picture to any size so that it may be Instagram ready. This will conclude the basics tutorial. Don't forget to save your work to the camera roll. You may always bring it back up to work on later. As a more intense exercise, we will edit a selfie of mine. You should find this saved in your camera roll. We will begin with the basics by starting up again with the reshape tool. Here, I will reshape my nose and forehead just as I taught you in the last tutorial. We will move on to the smoothing tool to smooth out any rough skin or pimples. Move the intensity to high to get the best effect. Next, we'll use the whiten tool to whiten my teeth to a reasonable amount. Now the next few steps are a bit more tricky. We'll be using the paint tool to emphasize the makeup I'm wearing. The paint tool will bring up a variety of colors, but you may also pick colors from the picture. You will do this by clicking the picker tool, then clicking on a color from the picture. For example, we picked my lipstick color. After you grab the color you want, you may use the paint or tone tool to paint on top of the picture. We'll start out by picking the brown of my eyeshadow and using the tone tool to re-emphasize the shadow. This will help the colors stand out so that they are not dull. Remember to do the other eye as well. Now, because the glitter on my eye has not captured well in the photo, we'll have to utilize other light grabbed. For this instance, we use the reflection bouncing off the fridge. This will be a shiny white base to put over the center of my eyelid. Remember to use the adjustment bar to normalize the color as much as possible. Once again, using the picker tool, we will use my eyebrows as a black base to fill in the eyeliner. This will increase the intensity so that my eyes will pop. Zoom in as much as possible so that you can be most accurate. Next, we will be adding in a nose highlight to make the nose look a bit more slimmer and make the skin look glowy. We will use the color from the tip of my nose and lightly tap over the center. Then we will draw a small line over the bridge. Zoom in to get better control and use the adjustment bar to increase or decrease intensity. Once again, we will use my eyebrow color to intensify the darkness of my eyebrow. This will give me a bolder look. Remember to utilize the adjustment bar and to do to one brow what you did to the other. Lastly, we will use the Details tool to illuminate the eyes. This will bring us to our final product. Click on the double boxes to see the before and after, and don't forget to save your work. I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.